Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Metrics. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana currently trades around $77. Solana is up 9.4% over the last 1 month. In this video, look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. Solana currently trades below its 200-week moving average. Is the bear market bottom in? Look at Solana's RSI. Should we be buying more Solana right now? While we're gearing up for one big dump down to Goblin Town. Look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. Look at Solana's dominance in the cryptocurrency market, and new stories going around the cryptocurrency market concerning Solana. Talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Solana with a market cap of over $45 billion, 24-hour trading volume of more than $2.19 billion, has been in the cryptocurrency market for a while right now. Solana is among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. If you look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar, we've seen Solana go to as high as $295, but right now Solana trades around $77 after dumping from as high as $295, dumping to as low as $59 over the last 1 year. Crazy things happen in the cryptocurrency market. Never forget, guys, cryptocurrency market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. We usually have huge swings to the upside and huge swings to the downside. If you look at Solana's price history, it's been a wild journey. After Solana was launched way back in 2020, we saw Solana pump from as low as $0.5 getting to as high as $250. Yes, there were some dumps along the way, but those dumps were far and in between. We had us 80% dump along the way, we had a 60% dump along the way, but over a period of more than a year, Solana went aggressively up to the moon. So Solana pumping from as low as $0.5, $1,000 invested in Solana then would have returned more than $495,000. That was when Solana was in the bull market. That's when things were good and dandy. And we saw Solana in its first full bear market dumping to Goblin Town, losing more than 96% of its value in the process. It felt like that was the end for Solana. Remember in 2022, FTX was collapsing. Sam Bankman-Fried had loved Solana, and because FTX was collapsing, he had to sell his Solana. Solana first found a bottom around the $25 level, and when FTX finally collapsed, we saw Solana go from as high as $25, finally finding the bottom around $8. There was plenty of fear in the cryptocurrency market then. The extreme fear was palpable. Market participants were scared. It felt like the end of Solana. It felt like there was no hope again. But guess what, guys? That was the best time to buy Solana. That was the best time to go all in. Historically, guys, when the crowd is expecting lower prices, when the crowd is very pessimistic, when there's huge extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, that's the best time to go all in. That's the best time to start getting ready for the next bull market. And funny enough, the RSI then was telling us this was a good time to buy Solana, and that's why from 2022 to 2024, Solana was one of the biggest gainers in the cryptocurrency market. The previous bear market saw it dumping by 96%, but then when the pump came around, Solana went from as low as $8, rallying up to a new all-time highs of around $294. We represented a 3,300% pump to the upside. It took 2 years to get there. It took a while to get there, but Solana eventually did it. Solana being one of the best performing altcoins from 2022 till beginning of 2025. $1,000 invested in Solana at the bottom would have easily returned more than $33,000 at the top. And then, as usual, market participants got excited, talk hard about Solana meme coins. Donald Trump launched his own meme coin on Solana, and that was in January of 2025. I remember then everything looked fine, everything looked dandy. He promised to be the best crypto president of all time, but the indicators were telling us to sell. The indicators were showing a huge bearish divergence. Solana price was setting a new high, with the indicator failing to even rally past the level where it was trading in November of 2024. That was a red flag. And since then, guys, yes, Solana has had some rallies here and there, but it's been one-way trip down to Goblin Town. First, Solana losing 64% of its value, having a retracement rally back to around $250 before eventually getting to as low as $61, which means Solana has done by around 79% from its all-time highs. Historically, any coin trading below its 200 moving average has been a good buying opportunity. I don't think this time is different. We might not be at exactly at the bottom, but I believe, guys, at this point in time, accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run will not be a dumb idea. Smart money is currently accumulating. Smart money is currently buying in the load bulk. How do we know that? Look at the RSI. Just like in 2022, when everything was looking very, very tragic, when the chart was looking like it's not going to ever pump to the moon, when Solana had that final dump to gobbling down, what was the RSI showing us? The RSI was showing us that smart money was already accumulating Solana from as high as $32 to as low as $8. I believe something similar is playing out right now. I've seen Solana drop below its 200 moving average around 2nd of February 2026, and I believe since then, smart money has been accumulating all coins, Solana to be exact. And when the next bull market come around, there's going to be an announcement. As the saying goes, nobody makes an announcement at the bottom, nobody makes an announcement at the top. You have to use your instincts, you have to know, you have to be able to read the sentiment in the market. And when sentiment is there, when there's extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market, when market participants are very, very pessimistic, when the only news you hear going around the cryptocurrency market is how we're going to go lower, how we're going to bottom in Q4 of 2026, how most market participants are preparing to buy in September, in October, in November. Historically, that's not turned out well. If you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. Solana right now, this is 200-week moving average in valuation against Ethereum, but we saw it getting to new all-time highs in valuation against Ethereum in January of 2025, and since then it has dumped to gobbling down against Ethereum, also losing 61% of its value in the process. When the pump comes, I expect to see Solana outperform Ethereum. I expect to see a bigger pump for Solana's valuation against Ethereum. At the same time, I expect to see Solana's dominance in the cryptocurrency market increasing. Solana's dominance in the cryptocurrency market has gone from as high as 3.89% to as low as 1.75%. Solana's dominance currently is at a 200-week moving average. So Solana is Solana is at a very, very critical position. A big pump to the upside, we'll see good sentiment return back to the cryptocurrency market. A big pump to the upside will give us at least a little relief coming back to the market. New stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Solana Foundation launches frameworks for protocol level governance. The Solana Foundation launched a framework for protocol level governance, enabling validators with at least 100,000 delegated Solana to publish new proposals. All seasons around the corner, guys. All season feels like a magical thing we say now in crypto. A lot of market participants have given up hope of ever seeing all season, but you have to believe, guys, these are the times you have to grind through the process. If you look at the market cycle charts, I believe we're in points where a lot of market participants are depressed, a lot of market participants asking themselves why did they get to crypto in the first place. Solana rallies as Solana meme coins prediction market activity surge. Are the bulls back? Rising interest in Solana network, meme coins, and prediction market was followed by a rally in Solana price. Will the momentum continue? We'll be tracking the price of Solana over the next few weeks, but right now Solana trades at $77. I believe we can easily rally towards that $100 level before August. Hopefully, we see that. But right now, fingers crossed, as smart money is accumulating. Guys, drop thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe the bottom is in for Solana? A lot of signals are showing us this is the best time to accumulate. The RSI is telling us the best time to accumulate. The moving average is telling us Solana is at a good price point to buy. Are you buying Solana? Are you adding to your long-term portfolio? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.